Well, hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create your very own chord progression without knowing anything about music theory, the way that I do it. So let's go. So the first thing you do is you go right here into Note Scales. I'm going to choose minor, and then I'm going to choose whatever letter I want in here, or whatever note I want. I'm going to click on the right one and it says mark current scale. Boom. Now I have a current scale. So the next thing you do is you go right here on the very first one you clicked on, and you're going to create a little staircase of 7 notes. So let's take a listen to this. Alright, and then from there, we're going to create our chords. So to create a chord, it's very easy. You skip one, and we have a chord. So we're going to do this all the way across. So now let's take a listen. Alright, so now to create your chord progression, what you do is you eliminate the ones that you don't want. So let's eliminate this one. Number 2, let's keep number 3. Let's keep number 4, eliminate this one. And let's eliminate this one here. And now I have my chord progression. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight in this little tool right here. I'm going to highlight all of these here, like this. Click on the pencil, we're going to move it over. So we're going to move these over like this. Boom. And the last one. So let's take a listen. We could definitely leave it like that if you like. But what we're going to do is what is called a transpose. So we're going to highlight the very first one on the second one, bring it down, highlight the first one, and leave it there, I guess. Let's highlight this one here and highlight the second one. So that way they all come across each other like this, pretty close to each other. Now let's play and listen to it. And there you have it. You have your very own chord progression. You could do this with any scale that you want, I guess. I mean, I haven't really tried it in every scale, but you could try it and see if that would work for you in any scale that you want. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful. I hope that you learned something new from this. So if you like this, I do have a free tutorial on how to create your own beats, showing you how to make a chord progression like this, showing you how to create a melody, showing you how to create a bass line and the drum pattern, etc. So if you're interested, go down to my website and take a look at it and sign up. Okay, it's absolutely free. Thank you. Have a nice day.